Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to unblock a website in Chrome, first on Google Chrome. And as you can see, I have a restricted access to YouTube. It may be due to many reasons. In my case, I had intentionally blocked YouTube since I spent too much time. If you have used an extension to block a website, you can just click on the extensions and Google Manage Extensions, toggle the switch off or remove it directly. Click on Remove. You will see that my YouTube works perfectly. We just unlocked a website in Chrome by adjusting the settings and ensuring no extension or security tools were restricting access. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.